Hi everyone. So today we are going to try and get featured on the App Store. For the past few weeks, I have been working on the app Zenther, and I realized that I've been doubting myself, but it won't work that way. So now we are going to use this feature nominations and try to get featured on the App Store for the iOS 26 release, because the app uses like purely liquid design glass interface and foundation models, speech analyzer API, and a lot of the stuff that are new in iOS 26. So whether you're launching a noteworthy app or making an exciting update, you can nominate yourself. So getting featured on the App Store, there's an overview. Whether you're an indie developer or a household name, you have an opportunity to be featured. And I think they mentioned somewhere featuring consideration, which is like the user experience, the UI design, innovation, uniqueness, accessibility, localization, and App Store page. So apart from this one, I have all of this according to me. Compelling screenshot is the only thing I do not have, but which I will work on today itself. But I will just try and get. I will just try and get like create a nomination. So enter a memorable name. This will help you recognize it later. Name your nomination. Grand prize. What would you like to tell us about app launch? Tell us the details of your nomination. App enhancements. Okay. The app is the I have no idea what to write. Tell us the nomination of your. Has anybody, like, let's say what others have been doing, and I have no idea, but I think you have to submit at least 3 months before or something like that. So I sent a nomination once or twice, very lucky to get nominated on my second time, and it received more, 150 a day to 43,000. The conversation rent went down, and I just do not know what to fill in there. Okay, there's this asomobile.net that has a link featured in the App Store, and how to get featured, the nomination process, and it says choose a published date. I think it's for the app launch itself. Check if you need more information, related apps. Okay, so this is what the UI or the main page will look like when I'm doing the detailed description for my nomination. I have no idea actually how to work with it, so I will try and use Alex Sidebar or any tool to help me with this a bit. So I am applying for getting featured on the App Store, and this is my first time. It is asking me for a description, and this is what it says. The best part is that it has access to you have access to the code base. You are an expert that always gets other apps featured as app of the day. Help me out as well. What are the details? So it's about the new feature, functionality, or other significance update to your app. So this is something that sounds very AI written. This sounds very AI written. Please fix it and write like a human. So I think my main idea that I want is that I focus on the privacy part, and I focus on the latest APIs that I've been using for the nomination for iOS 26 and the new calorie deficit tracker. And the idea is that it's a beautifully designed app for the App Store. So what happens when I write this? It says choose a time frame when you accept it to publish. I plan it to publish by this week. I don't think they have much time to help me out there. Tell us the details of your nomination. Let's see what we can find more on the internet. Oh, there's a video as well. We will walk through what featuring is and why it matters. How to get featured. So I don't think that helps. Getting featured on the App Store. So somebody did try it 3 days ago, like getting feature launched a few months ago, but only submitted a nomination last week. And so it looks like my app got featured in the US store. Wow, look at that impression chart. And I launched, I didn't want to push much thought into filling the form. I chose app launch as the type and selected a random date in the same week, even though my app was live. So I will do the same now, because I did app launch and I do not have the app enhancements because I'm still working on the calorie deficit. So tell us the details of your nomination. I will just copy paste and then edit what I have. So I will help you. Okay. It actually starts from here. I'm nominating Zenther because it represents, because it is a design forward and beautiful fitness health tracker, from macros tracking to fitness and sleep. My idea is to make it a health partner that is available on device. It uses on device MLX and will later use what is it called, the foundation model for iOS 26. Most fitness apps today either send the data to the cloud and give me a more generic advice, but Zenther processes. The thing is, I do not want to say this because my vision capability that I am going to add will have an option that will it will use an online API. So because if I'm taking a picture of something that is something I would not consider as private data versus the health data. So and the app is fully native and utilizes the best of widgets and app intents. It has a beautiful glass effect. I'll just call it gorgeous instead. Beautiful glass effect to embrace the upcoming liquid glass design. And voice commands through 3, beautiful data and AI powered. So I think I'll just go with this one now. I will choose a random date, which will be like tomorrow. It says that it's recommended to share your nomination with us at least 3 weeks before launch. I guess I'm late, so I'll just call it 7. And choose current price. This app includes a pre-order, no link. I think I just have the website link, Zenther.app. Do you intend to submit? No, I think every region it's iOS and macOS, and it's an app launch. So I'm not sure if is this something for me or for the reviewers, because I saw a post somewhere where they had mentioned this one, right? In this they had mentioned something, they called it seasonal update. Okay, mean launch, I'll just call it this. We want to know what makes you stand, to have behind the scenes look at an inclusive team. So I would want to share a bit of a story here. So I have been obese my entire life, and last year I lost 20 kgs to go from 108 kgs to around 80. I actually went to 84, which is like, how much is it? 108, so it's like 10 20, it's like 24 kgs. Oh damn. But my weight plateaued, and I forgot the spelling of this, I'm sorry. Plateaued, yes. Plateaued, and I do not know how to lose further, and what should I, and that's why I created a Zenther, to have a health partner for living a healthier lifestyle and get fitter over time, as I obsess over the app and help others live a fitter life too. So this is what I would go with. This is a good story, and then I will submit the nominations. Our editorial team will review and reach out only if your app or game is selected to be featured. Okay, let's submit the app, and yeah, that's it. So we did our first submission. It's called main launch, and I'm looking forward to how it goes. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you have some feedback, if you have already gotten featured before and have some experience to share, please let me know. And thank you for listening, and have a good day.